Sexy welding people from YouTube, how you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. Today's video, guys, I have very exciting news. I bought something that I've been wanting to buy for a long time. A lot of you guys probably know what I'm talking about. I've been wanting to buy this for 5 years now, and recently I've been talking about it. Did a lot of search, a lot of work, hard work, but finally pays off. So without further ado, guys, let me show you what I bought. Alright guys, so I finally bought it. I bought the classic 300 MP. That's right. This bad boy has a Perkin engines, turbo engine. I know a couple videos ago I was like leaning more towards the SA 300 MP. I'll probably gonna make another video for you guys explaining why I bought the classic 300 MP instead of the SA 300, which was my top two welding machines that I want to buy. But for now, I just want to show you guys the welder that I bought. Super excited about it. I can't wait to turn it on and just start welding with it. But I have to connect the cables and all that, which I'll probably make a video for you guys, probably show you my setup and everything. But good news, super excited. All right, guys, so the welding machine is sitting on the truck in the garage. They're my babies. They're just like a tiger in a cage right now. Yep, just like a tiger in a cage, getting ready. Can't wait to get out, but they have to stay there like a tiger in a cage, you know. Talking about tiger, guys, what's it called, a tiger running a copy machine? What? A copycat. Sexy welding people from YouTube, that was it for today. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys getting a new machine pretty soon, make sure you comment here below. Let me know what you think about the classic 300 MP welder that I bought. You guys like it? You guys love it? You guys think I should have bought the SA 300? Too late for now, but comment in the section below. And if you like this video, make sure you share it with your friends. All right? So stay tuned for more videos from Captain Manny. I'll see you next time, all right? Adios. Stay safe out there. it.